Hey, welcome to Jesus in a Tortilla. If 2018 had a label, it would be the year of maple. Everything's maple. Maple everything. I've had more maple and chicken in the past couple months than I ever have in my whole life. And we're going to try some more. Wendy's has a maple bacon chicken sandwich. Comes on a croissant. I've already seen like 100 people review it, but I'll give it a try. $6.99. Wait, is that right? No. $5.99 for the sandwich. What's it called? The bacon maple. I don't know. $5.99. Lot of chicken and syrup lately. A lot of chicken and syrup. Right off the bat, it's got a pretty cool look. See the spinny and roundy marks of the crescent roll? It's already coming apart. Let's see what we got inside. It's coming apart on me. Ooh, that is mapley, but it's got a nice spice to it. Looks like there's quite a bit of maple sauce and bacon on the top bun, and then there's some Swiss cheese, some bacon, nice looking chicken. Alright, you know what? I wasn't really excited about this because I've had a lot of chicken and maple syrup lately, but this actually is starting to look good to me. Okay. Smells good, actually. It's pretty good. It's not... That maple sauce is good. It's got some kind of kick to it, and it's not just straight up kick you in the face maple. It's actually not too bad. Where's my bun? It's sweet, obviously, but it's almost like a... it's hard to put my finger on it. But it's not as sweet as you think it'd be. It's got a good smoky flavor, too. Let's see what just the croissant tastes like. It's pretty buttery. Well, there you have it, folks. The, I don't know what it's called. The bacon maple crescent sandwich from Wendy's. It's actually pretty good. I was going into this not too excited because I didn't really love the recent KFC sandwich. It was good, but the bacon makes it more legit. When it's just chicken and maple syrup, bacon goes great with syrup. That bite was good. Will I get it again? Probably not, but I'm glad I got it. And if you like experimenting with your lunch, you won't be upset if you get this. Pretty good. I'll give it like an 8. Thanks for watching.